Open the MenaSIM app on your phone. Go to My eSIM. Navigate to the eSIM you want to install and tap See Details. Tap View Instructions. Tap Direct Installation for iOS. Tap Allow and wait a few minutes for your eSIM to activate. If you are not in your destination country, the eSIM will show as activating. Don't worry. Continue when you get there safely. Hit Continue. After completing these steps, you will see a confirmation that the eSIM is successfully installed. Hit Done. Choose a label for your new eSIM plan. Choose Primary or Default Line for your default line, then tap Continue. Choose the primary or default line you want to use with iMessage and FaceTime for your Apple ID, then tap Continue. Upon arrival, choose your new eSIM plan for cellular mobile data. Disable Allow Mobile Data Switching and tap Continue. Go to Cellular/Mobile Data and select the recently downloaded eSIM on your device. Enable the Turn on this line toggle, then select your new eSIM plan for cellular/mobile data. Tap Network Selection, disable the automatic toggle, then select the supported network manually if your eSIM has connected to the wrong network. Enable the data roaming toggle for your new eSIM plan. Happy travel and safe trip.